relation between R and H. I know that you have learned the relations for R and for H individually. For example, let us consider a projectile is thrown from ground with a certain velocity with the horizontal. This is the initial velocity of this projectile. Say it is u, and the angle with the ground, which is also called angle of projection, is say theta. Under these circumstances, we take positive x direction to be along the ground and y direction to be along vertical. Now, as per our previous calculations, we know that horizontal range, which is distance covered by this projectile in one time of flight along the horizontal, and is expressed by r, the range. We also know the maximum height which projectile attains is somewhere here, and its distance from the ground is this much, and which is also taken as capital H. We know that values of r to be u square sine 2 theta divided by g, which is acceleration due to gravity also, and value of maximum height h, it comes to be equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Now if we divide maximum height by the horizontal range, then we get sine square theta upon 2 sine 2 theta, which finally gives 10 theta upon 4. So we can write 10 theta equal to 4h by r. This relation is very much useful to find the angle of projection if we have been given maximum height and horizontal range. If we have been given r and theta, then we can get maximum height attained. And on the other side, if we know theta and capital H, then we can get this horizontal range. So we can further rewrite this relation as r equal to 4h upon 10 theta. If we want to get maximum height, then it can be written as r 10 theta divided by 4, or theta can be taken as 10 inverse 4h upon r. You can see here that we got three basic and very important formula to get range, maximum height and time of flight. A projectile thrown from ground has horizontal range 3 times the maximum height achieved. Find angle of projection. In this question, we have been provided that r divided by h is 3. So we can write h upon r to be 1 by 3, and using the formula theta equal to 10 inverse 4h upon r, theta becomes 10 inverse of 4 upon 3, which gives us theta equal to 53 degree.